All right, we're entering the wilderness. We need to cross this.
What do you have for us today, Chef?
For some reason this is all big. Tonight we're having chicken with rice, soup. We got some isobutane. Hopefully it's not too cold. I haven't tried this stove yet, so might not be able to have supper tonight if it doesn't work.
Well, we could eat it cold, but
Okay.
is that supposed to happen?
I don't think so.
All right, Master Chef.
So, poured those 2 cans in there.
Watch, don't burn yourself, please. There we go.
And then
I would keep a hold of it
yeah,
in case it falls, or don't.
pretty cold, so we're hoping this is going to warm us up. And then we'd like to make camp soon after this. We want to go far enough away from where we're cooking because there's lots of bears up in here. Angel's out making camp, setting up the tent and stuff, and we're hoping to have a belly full of warm soup. And the soup is nice and hot. Oh, that feels good. Oh, man. How do you feel?
All my clothes are wet, so I'm freezing.
Yeah, you look cold. So we found a spot for the tent. I'm just pumping up the sleeping mat with this hand pump. And then we'll get warm. We're getting pretty cold.